hopefully this will work, but this is supposed to be a bed caddy. So when my wife does her laptoping, she has a pillow and then the laptop, and then she has little cubby holes to put stuff in so she can find things. Well, what we had for her was just temporary, so this is more of a permanent fix. So hopefully it's going to work. Just again used from various scraps. This was from some desk. This was just extra plywood. The other part of the desk, some other stuff. The back is hollow, so hopefully that won't cause problems. This part is down to get the laptop cord up, and then around. But yeah, just a quick project that hopefully will work fine. We shall see. But basically this is for some of her light switch remotes, and this is for the other remotes and other various stuff. So we'll see what happens, and if it works, and if I have to come back out and change it. Hopefully not. I'm hoping all I have to do at most is maybe paint the inside of this white so it's easier to find things, because otherwise it'll be hard to find things if the lights are off and you think they're there but they're not. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But that's a quick project for today. Oh, and the ceiling came out nice. I know I said I wasn't going to do a video, but the ceiling came out nice with the paint and such. I still have to put the sensors back, but yeah, that looks really good. I ended up dropping it down a foot on this end and reattaching it to some extra shelf metal from the wood storage cart piece, and then that let me paint above it. But yeah, that came out really good. And considering it's a garage, it's perfect. So, yep, that's it.